Okay, thank you. My name is Gunnlaugur, and I'm the founder and CEO of ENSO. We're developing better tires for electric vehicles. Tires are, of course, the auto industry's biggest, dirtiest secret. They contribute enormously to carbon emissions, air pollution, ocean microplastic pollution, as well as mountains of waste every year. However, probably the most surprising thing about tire pollution is that electric vehicles create even more of it. And this is because the increased weight and torque of EVs means that they, in general, wear tires even faster than normal cars do. So unless we solve tire pollution now, and in particular solve it for electric vehicles, this problem will only go from bad to worse. So this is why Enzo is developing a new generation of efficient, durable, and sustainable tires for EVs. And where we're already working with some leading EV car makers and large EV fleets to adopt our technology. Our business model is also innovative because we look into deliver our tires directly or to our customers. That's it.
How is your tire different from the tires already on the market? In terms of characteristics, I understand that they should be more durable, but how?
Well, I can't tell you all the secrets, but we use basically a combination of bio-based raw materials as well as some advanced chemistry to create more durable bonding between the polymers and the filler materials. So in a net result of that is that we then get a more durable tread compound. But this also relates as well to the design of the tires in the beginning in terms of the tire construction overall. So it's partly is the engineering of the tire casing as well as the compound that then goes on that casing.
But at similar grip levels, because typically if the durability of a tire goes up, the grip goes down. Sort of the difference between winter and summer tires. I guess safety remains a key concern.
We don't compromise on that safety metric, but to be honest, the tire industry has always had innovation loops which have expanded the performance circles. And so ultimately, this is just another one of those expansions. So we don't need to compromise on the safety, braking, handling, or any of the other metrics while we increase the efficiency and durability.
Okay,
thanks.
The challenges around tires are most of the time two challenges actually. Yeah, the durability, the sustainability of tires, and on the other hand, the sound they make, the noise. One of the challenges is EV riding is less noise except the tires. The tires make the noise of the car, and that's also sometimes difficult in area developments and housing developments due to the regulations. Does this also reduce the sound of the tires and the noise they make?
No, we basically follow the European rules in terms of sound. There is actually limitations of how far you can actually reduce the sound without actually compromising the safety of the tire. If you made a tire that was, entirely smooth, then you'd have, of course, lower sound. But what we do is we adopt some new technology in terms of how we design the tread blocks on the tire level, and the harmonics within the tire can therefore be reduced based on those engineering those tread blocks in specific ways. But we're not proposing a major improvement in sound at this stage.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm wondering, is the business case already clear? Is the payback period? What is the payback period for adopting such tires for example, an electric car manufacturer?
Yes. So just to be clear, the business model that we're developing is actually based on a direct customer business model. So unlike any other tire company, we actually look to sell our tires directly to the end consumer.
Okay.
That makes a different incentive because we then look to charge them on a per mile basis. And that means that we are actually incentivized to deliver higher durability because we can effectively then charge for those tires over a period.
And that business case is like when will then the payback period be for a consumer to?
Consumer doesn't pay anything; they pay nothing up front, and they pay no more than they would otherwise if they were buying sets of tires.
Yeah. Okay. So it would be clear. Yeah. Okay.
It's fully competitive in price. The business model combined with the product actually delivers the sustainability and the pollution reduction. But for the consumer, they also have the advantage of extended range as well as the payment of the tires being over time rather than upfront.
Okay, thank you.
And do the tires also go on a Ferrari ENSO?
Not yet. They don't make any electric cars. We focus exclusively on electric.
Ferrari has said we make electric cars in the near future. Even
Yeah,
Lamborghini is so far.
Yeah, we actually want to target the ones that actually are being rolled up in volumes.
Yeah.
So although
Okay, thanks.